Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage lock screen notifications to save power. If you want to reduce battery usage on your iPhone, managing lock screen notifications can help. So first you need to open to your setting app and you need to scroll a bit down until you find this notifications icon and tap on the notifications there. And frequent notifications wake up the screen and use power throughout the day. And after that, what you can do is you can simply tap onto this scheduled summary, and simply toggle on this icon in the top right corner there. And you can tap on the continue on the bottom. And reducing unnecessary notifications can help conserve battery life while keeping important alerts available when you need them. And that's how to manage lock screen notification to save power on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you.